Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to search for creators on OnlyFans. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type onlyfans.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the homepage of OnlyFans. Do log in if you already have not. Right here on the top right, you will find something called as search post. Simply type the name of the creator you want to search for and click on enter. Now there are results right here. You can search for your creator using this process as well. Another process that I found was going to this website called as onlyfinder.com. Right here in the search bar, you can search for the name of the creator and simply click on enter. Now here you are, these are the relevant profiles. Simply click on any profile you wish to visit. And here you are. That's how you search for creators on OnlyFans. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.